here is our Moto G57 Power, and I have opened the box, and here you can see this is our mobile phones, and let's check it out. This is the mobile phone, and here it's look like this. I have ordered the blue and purple in color. So let's keep this phone on the side, and now let's check on the under of the box. And here we got the small mini box, and here we got the manual guides, USB Type-C adapter, 33 watt. So now let's set up our Moto mobile phone. Here you have to select your language, which language you are comfortable in. You can select the language. After that you can click on the start. This is the start. Next, here it says you can even connect this, insert this SIM card, but I will just click on this skip. And here it says set up using another device. Here I just click on this skip. This is the Wi-Fi. You can even set up the Wi-Fi if you want to set up. Then I just set up the offline and continue. And now this is the privacy and security, so you have to accept and continue. And this is the date and time. You can just click on the next. Here's the PIN password. You can even skip, or you want to set, then you can set it. I just click on the skip. And here on the Google services, I would like to off the location, and here click on the accept. And here our phone is getting up, and this is the skip. No thanks. And this in the app store, you can click on the skip. This is the navigation style, which one you are comfortable with, gestures or the buttons, then you can select from here. I just click on the next. Then this is the theme, dark light transition. You can select, there is 3 types of themes. I just click on the next, and this is the hello Moto. So we are finished right now. Then click on finish. Then after that, from here explore your Moto. Go to my home screen.
And if you enjoyed this detailed look, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech reviews, and thanks for watching, friends. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.